Mseleku decided to embarrass the Mamkhumalo yesterday. That was so painful to watch. So, Musa Mseleku visited and checked on everyone after the dinner except Mamkhumalo. So he went to check Umangwabe because Umangwabe apparently she wants to leave him. So he had to go and make sure that Umangwabe does not leave him. And then after that, he called Umayeni to check whether Mayeni has arrived. They did reveal to say Umayeni has moved to home. And then after that, he went to Macele because that was Bacele's day. He didn't even check Mamkhumalo. Those who have been following Uthando Temple season 8 from episode 1 so now that we're in episode 5, we can tell that Mamkhumalo, she's not okay, guys. Even on the dinner table, she was not saying anything. She was so quiet. So, guys, there's a lot of division on social media. Some are saying the reason why Musa Mseleku did not check Mamkhumalo cannot fight Musa Mseleku regarding wife number 5 because she knows that she cannot give him kids. Even if you cannot give someone kids, at least you deserve some respect, some love, guys. Mamkhumalo, she's been there for Musa Mseleku. I still remember, I don't know which season Musa Mseleku wants to reveal to say if it's out of cash, she will ask Mamkhumalo. And this is how you treat the woman who's been there for you, begezeling yebo baba. Some are saying one thing about men, they will treat you exactly how you teach them to treat you. Just because Mamkhumalo has been the able girl for the last 7 seasons, he did not even notice that she's not okay. She was so quiet the entire moment when the conversation was about wife number 5. So he did not see any need to go and check up on her. Like Mamkhumalo, guys, like you can just tell Mamkhumalo her mind is somewhere else. Yes, physically she was there on the dinner. Some people are worried to say what is going on with Mamkhumalo. Is there trouble in paradise, and people are saying that the person might leave this season. It probably Mamkhumalo because it seems like Mamkhumalo, she's fed up, guys. She's tired of begezeling this marriage, guys. She doesn't get the respect that she deserves. She's been quiet the whole season. For the first time I see Macele talking. One thing about Macele, guys, if you've been following Uthando Temple from season 1 until now in season 8, Macele, whenever there's around other wives, she will keep quiet and say anything. Right now, she's so talking too much. I don't know what is going on. Or maybe she's happy with the fact that wife number 5, she's about to arrive, and wife number 5 will competition with Mamkhumalo. Maybe Macele, she's using wife number 5 to get to Mamkhumalo. You never know. But guys, the people are really feeling sorry for Mamkhumalo. Some are saying it's because she's been begezeling, agreeing with Musa Mseleku. This is what you get when you become imbokoto for a man who doesn't respect you. But I don't think that is that man, guys. Maybe Musa Mseleku forget about her, but that was so painful to watch it, guys. So Mamkhumalo, she's been through so much. She's been there for Musa Mseleku. I felt, yesterday when I was watching Uthando Temple season 8, episode 5, I couldn't, guys. I could feel the embarrassment for Mamkhumalo on her behalf. I was like, no, man, Mamkhumalo, she has done so much. She's raising her stepchild. I'm not saying that he has to do things just because Mamkhumalo, she's doing things for him, but the fact that she's a good wife, guys, she's proven so many times. The fact that she came when she was young, it was a point where Umayeni even said that Mamkhumalo was a nanny. You could tell that Mamkhumalo invested so much time of her life in that family. At least even though she has her own money, the only thing that you can give her is at least to give her some respect. She deserves it. Anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about Mamkhumalo's situation? Do you think there's a trouble in paradise between Musa Mseleku and Mamkhumalo, guys? Because the silence in Mamkhumalo, it's saying a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. When a woman get quiet, it means that there's something that she's saying in her mind. Trust me, it is not a good thing. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.